Before you start, please wash your hands thoroughly. Thank you. On your shelving you will find your bag-in box. Undo the fitting connecting to your empty box. Now remove, then clean up any syrup that has been spilled. Use your thumb to push down on the section of box marked A. This section can be removed. Pull the green tab through the gap and secure using the cardboard flap marked B. Remove the green cap and lay the box flat with the tab facing the pipe. Place the box into the space on the shelf, then reattach the connector. Check that the arrow is pointing towards the box that you just changed. Well done!